Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to complete one of the suggestions, and this way we are going to bring street food home. So let's start cooking. Ingredients required for Chinese bhel are cabbage, fried noodles, olive oil, salt, pepper, tomato ketchup, schezwan sauce and capsicums. First we are going to stir fry the capsicum and cabbage. So take half tablespoon olive oil. When you eat Chinese bhel outside on the street, they don't stir fry the vegetables. They use the raw cabbage and capsicums, but at home it's preferred that we stir fry and then use it. It's your personal choice. If you don't want to saute it, you all can use it raw. So I have taken 1 cup cabbage. We are now going to completely stir fry it. In that I am going to add half cup finely chopped capsicum. That's it, this is done. We will allow this to cool down for 2 minutes. Otherwise, when we add our fried noodles, it will become soggy quickly. I have allowed it to cool down for 2 minutes. Now we are going to add the fried noodles. You can check the recipe by clicking the I button on the right side of your screen. We are going to break the noodles into half and then add it. In that, we'll add 2.5 tablespoons schezwan sauce. You all can check out the recipe. Again, I've posted it earlier. Just click the I button on the right side of your screen. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Here, if you want, you all can even add green chillies. Just chop them finely and add it. I'm not going to add because schezwan sauce is going to give nice spiciness. And I'm also adding pepper, so I don't require green chilies, which is about half teaspoon, and salt to taste. Now just mix this or give a nice toss and then it's ready. This is done. Serve it immediately, otherwise it will become soggy. Our Chinese bhel is ready. If you like it, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.